Alrighty, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to export, import, and copy course content. This is going to be good, obviously, when we build our courses this first quarter and we want to copy what we've done over to the next quarters. This is how we're going to be doing it. Now, because we don't have pre-built courses and things like that, this is going to be a lot of this. I'm going to have to say, all right, use your imagination, but I'll try to do as best I can. So we're going to come over here to course admin. Remember, that gives us all these sweet tools, and we're going to go to the import, export, copy. Now we have copy components from another org unit, which basically means we can copy components from already existing courses. And I'll show you that in a minute. We can copy components from a parent template. So if we come over here, like what's a parent template? It's the course template associated with the current course offering, right? So in other words, we can get templates and copy things from there. It doesn't have to be courses that already exist. Then exporting components is going to be backing up your courses, basically. Exporting the course so you can go back and put it back in. And then importing is taking stuff from an exported package and putting it into Brightspace. And you can do that from something you exported in Brightspace, but you can also do that from other LMSs like learning management systems like Moodle and Blackboard and things like that. So it's kind of cool. If you teach in other colleges or such and you want to bring a course that you teach over there over to here, you should, well, you might, not should, but you might be able to export it from whatever LMS you're using and then bring it into Brightspace. So we'll do this copy one first. And the way you do it is you select it, and then we're going to say search for offering. Now these are going to be all the courses that I'm associated with. So nothing comes up, so I need to perform a search. So I'm just going to search for nothing, and that's just going to show everything that exists. So now we got Holly's Sandbox, we have Roberts, we have Mayette's, we have everybody. So what I could do is I'm just going to say, I'm going to copy from, let's go Holly's. And so I'll add selected. And it says, all right, we know what course you're going to copy. And then we can come down here and we can say, we got to say a big no-no here. Do not ever do copy all components. I'm not 100% sure why, but it has to do with like digital books and it can mess things up. So just don't, and I guess it can take a long time and you want to make sure there's just certain parts, and it's usually the digital textbooks that you don't want to copy over. So do not do copy all components. We want to do select components. Okay, and so we can copy the content, the display settings. I don't really want to do that because I have my own. So basically everything I select here is going to be copied over and applied to my course right here, my sandbox. So I'm going to select all these things from Holly's sandbox course. Like I could get her files, I don't want her display settings because I want to use my own. I'll get all her content, I'll get her assignments, her external links, grades, grade settings, announcements. I can pick basically all the different things that I want from this course and I can copy them over and integrate them into this existing course. So that's what you're doing here. All right, so I don't want to do all of this. I will just take, let's say I wanted to do her external links. Now, granted, we wouldn't really be doing this from other people's courses. I mean, I guess you could if there's someone in Houston or San Antonio or something that you wanted to take their course and do your own thing with it. But this is mainly you're going to take your existing courses that you have and you're going to copy parts of those courses into the current course is what you would use for this. So I'll just get, well, no, I'll actually take her announcement. And I'll include the associated files. I'll copy all the items. Or if I wanted to, I could select individual announcements. But I'll do all of them because there's only one. And that's all I'll do, and I'll hit continue. Okay, and then it just tells me, all right, this is what you're going to do. Are you good? And I hit finish. Okay, and this can take a while. It just depends on how much is going on. So I'm going to pause it right here and I'll unpause it when it's done. All right, it finished. It actually took not too long at all. And remember, all I did is I copied the announcement. So now I can come over here to my home page of the course, and I have the announcements I did here with Rooster Teeth, but then also I have an announcement from Holly. This is her announcement that I copied over. So good stuff. But yeah, copying is just taking things that exist in an existing course, like components of an existing course, and copying them over to the course that you're messing with. So that's how you copy stuff. Hope that helped. Talk to you later.